say, please confirm if you are able to see.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much. Okay, so today's class, last time we saw the forms of na-keiyoushi, and this time we'll see forms of na-adjective. So na-adjective in Japanese is
na-keiyoushi.
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 Na-keiyoushi. So this is kanji for keiyoshi and na-keiyoushi. So this is tense form of na-keiyoushi. So present or future tense and in positive sentences. So positive sentences like it is and then some adjective like it is famous. So how to say that? Usually the na-keiyoushi, when it comes before the noun, na is there. Wherever the noun is there, then we have to use na. But when in sentences like this, for example, kore wa this, it means it is and then blank. So kore wa and then blank this. This is how we use. So we don't use the na. So for example, famous is a na-keiyoushi. In Japanese,
Yume.
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 Yume. And please remember, even though this ends with e, it's not e-keiyoushi, it's na-keiyoushi. Yume na. This is how we use. So yume desu. So it will be like
Yume desu.
yume desu.
Yume desu.
Yume desu. Kore wa?
これは有名です。
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 これは有名です。It is famous. This is how we say. So, 有名です is neutral. Da, 有名だ. So, with your friends or family, you just say da. 有名 instead of this, we just say da. So,
これは有名だ。
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 これは有名だ. So, this is how we say. And next is like. So, it is liked or so, ski. Okay. Ski des. This is how we say. So,
これは好きです。
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 これは好きです。Next is convenient. How to say convenient?
これは便利です。
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 これは便利です。It is convenient. Or you can say 便利だ。Okay? 便利だ。Convenient. This is how we say. Next is beautiful. Beautiful is
これはきれいです。
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 これはきれいです。So, this is again ends with e-keiyoushi. Okay? I'm sorry. This again ends with e, but it's not e-keiyoushi. It's na-keiyoushi. Robust. Robust. Lively. Very lively. Then it's
私は元気です。
so here これは元気です looks very odd. Okay? So either you can say 私は元気です。あなたは元気です。Or you can even say
私は元気だ。
or with this word この人は
この
元気です。この人は元気です。This is how we can say. Next is skillful. So for skillful,
あなたは上手です。
上手. Okay, 上手 is for skillful. And we can use it with this kind of things.
この人は上手です。
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 この人は上手です。So we can use this kind of sentence. Next is precious. So for precious is 大切. So we can't use この人は大切です. It's very odd. So we can use this sentence.
これは大切です。
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 これは大切です. So this is the rule. Any na-keiyoushi plus this. It means it is present tense and with positive sentences. Now let us look with negative sentences like present or future tense negative. Like it is not famous. So how to say that? So instead of na, we use これは
ではありません。
これは blank ではありません。
これはではありません。
これはではありません。So ではありません。It's a polite form. So it is not and then adjective. For example, famous again is yume. So this is how it will be.
これは有名ではありません。
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 これは有名ではありません。So we can use this ではありません or more this is the most polite form, okay? ではありません。じゃありません is also there. So これは
有名じゃありません。
これは有名じゃありません。
これは有名じゃありません。
これは有名じゃありません。Or the casual form is
これは有名じゃない。
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 これは有名じゃない。So, like 好き。In 好き, how to say use this sentence? これは
好きではありません。
これは好きではありません。Okay?
これは好きではありません。
これは好きではありません。So this is all. You can even use じゃありません or じゃない。It depends on the situation. Next is convenient. It's
これは便利ではありません。
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 これは便利ではありません。Next is beautiful.
これは綺麗ではありません。
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 これは綺麗ではありません。It's not beautiful. This is how we say it. Next is robust or lively. Okay? So, instead of これは, you can say この人は元気ではありません。So,
この人は元気ではありません。
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 この人は元気ではありません。I don't know, such maybe sentence might not be used in our life because it's not so polite. Skillful, next is
この人は上手ではありません。
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 この人は上手ではありません。So again, this is not so polite sentence. So usually Japanese people don't speak such kind of negative things so directly. Next is precious.
これは大切ではありません。
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 これは大切ではありません。So this is present tense negative. Like it is not precious. So これは大切ではありません。Next we'll see the past tense. Past tense positive. So in past tense positive, it was. And then we put the adjective. So na will be cancelled and kore wa deshita. Okay?
これはでした。
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 これは and then na-adjective でした。So let us look at again the same adjectives like
これは有名でした。
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 これは有名でした。So it was famous is これは有名でした。And the casual form is
これは有名だった。
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 これは有名だった。So だった。This is how we say in casual way. Like
これは好きでした。
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 これは好きでした。It was liked. So this is how we say. Convenient. Like it was convenient. Then
これは便利でした。
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 これは便利でした。Next is beautiful.
これは綺麗でした。
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 これは綺麗でした。So again, please remember, though it ends with E, it's not na-keiyoushi. Next is robust or lively.
これは元気でした。この人は元気でした。
Yeah, so again, you can't use これは。これは is used for objects. Okay? So this is the reason you can't use これは because これは is used for things, not for human beings. And this adjective is used for person. So lively. So この人は元気でした。This is how we say. Again, the skillful is again we use for human beings. So
この人は上手でした。
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 この人は上手でした。Next is precious. It was precious. How do we say?
これは大切でした。
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 これは大切でした。So this is past tense, positive. Now how to say past tense? Negative. So it was not. So the na will be cancelled and これはではありませんでした。So it's long. So please practice this in the pronunciation video, which we'll upload later on. So it's like this.
これはではありませんでした。
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 これはではありませんでした。So for example, if I want to say it was not famous, how do we say?
これは有名ではありませんでした。
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 これは有名ではありませんでした。This is very polite form. And this is again polite form.
これは有名じゃありませんでした。
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 これは有名じゃありませんでした。And this is a casual way of saying.
これは有名じゃなかった。
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 これは有名じゃなかった。 This is how we say in the past tense. It was not famous. Now, how to say it was not liked?
これは好きではありませんでした。
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 これは好きではありませんでした。And next is very convenient. So, これは
便利ではありませんでした。
これは便利ではありませんでした。So, this is very long.
これは便利ではありませんでした。
これは便利ではありませんでした。So, it's quite long. Okay, beautiful. So, can anyone say what is the na-keiyoushi? Beautiful?
Kire.
Yes, very good.
Kire.
Okay.
これは綺麗ではありませんでした。
Very good. これは綺麗ではありません
ありません
でした。Very good. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Robust. Robust is 元気。So,
この人は元気ではありませんでした。
Yeah. So, これは will not be used because it's a word human being. So, この人は元気ではありませんでした。So, okay. Next is skillful.
この人は上手ではありませんでした。
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 この人は上手ではありませんでした。Okay, now precious. 大切。So it will be
これは大切ではありませんでした。
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 これは大切ではありませんでした。So it was not precious. This is how we say. So you can practice the pronunciation later on. So
Excuse
this
me.
was, yes, please.
Can I ask a question? You
Yes,
said that when you use how do you call this? Korewa is for objects.
Yes,
This
that's right.
Adjective for objects. But isn't kire also used for persons?
Yes, kire is used for, it is both for object and person. Yeah, so beautiful.
So you can use both depending on what you're describing.
No, but this kore is for object only.
Yeah.
So suppose if you want to use it for a person.
I use kono hito.
Yes, that's right.
Kire, okay.
Deva arimasen deshita or
Right.
kire desu. Yeah. So
okay.
Yes, you are
right. All right. Thank you.
Right. Yeah.
Arigato.
Okay. So we have later on in the next video, I will upload lot of examples using this keiyoushi and na-keiyoushi. So we'll have lot of example sentences. So right now we are just learning the rules of this keiyoushi and na-keiyoushi.
And sorry, one more question.
Yes.
So the present and the future is the same. How you say it. So you will have to read the sentence on context. So if you know whether you're talking present or future.
Yes, you are right. So it's like or ashta. So tomorrow I'm going to do this. This is how we can say we can know whether the person is talking about the future tense. Okay. All right. So now let's go to the next today's topic. It's question how and just numbers 1 to 10. So question is
質問
And today's question is how, and how is
ど
do. And in sentence, the sentence structure will be something like this. The topic, wa, and question word and desu ka. So,
はどうですか
wa, do desu ka?
はどうですか
Wa, do desu ka? So, any noun can come here. For example, how is the cake? Okay. So, how to say this in Japanese? So, cake in Japanese is
ケーキ、
keiki.
ケーキ、
Keiki. Yes. So, how to say this? Earlier I showed you the rule. Something wa do desu ka? So,
ケーキはですか
yeah, that's right. Cake.
ケーキはどうですか
Keiki wa do desu ka?
ケーキはどうですか
Keiki wa do desu ka? So, how is the cake? So, the answer to this question will be an adjective. Okay. The answer will be an adjective. So, like, it's delicious. Oishii desu.
です。
Yeah, oishii desu. And oishii is which keiyoshi? I keiyoshi or na-keiyoushi? It's I keiyoshi.
よし。
Yeah, very good.
よし。
So, yeah. So, how is it? Is
どうですか
do desu ka?
どうですか
Do desu ka? So, we can just say do desu ka? Yeah, it's very easy. Do desu ka? Okay, now we'll see some different kind of sentence. How is life in Japan? Okay, how is life in Japan? So our daily life is like
生活、
seikatsu,
生活、
seikatsu. And Japan is
日本、
Nihon,
日本、
Nihon. So how to say this in Japanese? How is life in Japan? So
日本の生活はどうですか
日本の生活はどうですか？
日本の生活はどうですか
日本の生活はどうですか？ So, 日本の生活 means Japan's life. Okay? It means a life in Japan. So, 日本の生活はどうですか？ This is how we say. 日本の生活はどうですか？ So, how is life in Japan? This is how we say. So, this was about how. Now, let us see some other words related to do. Like, douyatte. So, douyatte is how. Okay. Or by what means, like using what. Douyatte. So, suppose we want to know how to do something, then we use this word. And suppose if I want to know by what means, like using what kind of vehicle, then we can say douyatte. Okay. Now let us look at the example. For example, how do you use this computer? How to use this computer? How do you use this computer? Then for computer it's
パソコン、
pasokon.
そ
パソコン、
Pasokon. So pasokon. And use is
使う、
skau.
使う、
Skau. So skau is the base of the verb. Okay, the conjugation, that is, we have to join something along with it. So skaimasu. This is how we say skaimasu. Okay, let us look at the sentence.
このパソコンはどうやって使いますか
このパソコンはどうやって使いますか？
このパソコンはどうやって使いますか
このパソコンはどうやって使いますか？ So, we can just say, douyatte skaimasu ka? Oh, we are running out of time, so I'll have to be fast in this. We just have 10 more minutes. Okay, so kono pasukon wa douyatte skaimasu ka? Okay, next is by what means did you come to school? Okay. So for example, did you come by walk or did you come by car, by bus? So to ask this question, come is kuru. Kuru. And school is
Gakko.
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 So this is in past tense. Okay, did you come? So kuru will become kimashita. So
どうやって学校に来ましたか？
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 どうやって学校に来ましたか? So this is how we say, how did you come? By using what vehicle, or did you come by walk? So we can ask this kind of question here. Okay, now let us look at the numbers. Numbers is kazu. So numbers from 1 to 10 we are going to learn today. So very easy. Number 1. 1 is
Ichi.
And it's very easy kanji. 1. Okay. Number 2 is ni. Ni is again very easy. Kanji. This is kanji. And number 3 is san. And this is the kanji. Later on in kanji, I'll teach you how to write the strokes. So we'll just learn how to pronounce 1 to 10. And 4 is shi. Or it is also yon. So it's either she or yon. Next is 5. 5 is go. Number 6 is roku. And 7 is shi or nana. So you can use any of it. Next is hachi. Number 9 is kyu. Number 10 is ju. So let us can you read all of them one time? Ichi, ni, san, shi, yon, go, roku, shi, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. So, and later on we'll upload the this video. So no problem. We'll stop sharing now. Do you have any questions regarding today's lesson?
No.
Okay, no questions.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. How about you, Swarnamala, Rayan, Divya? Any questions?
No, Sensei.
Okay. All right. So so we'll end our class now, and we'll upload the pronunciation video later on, so you can practice pronunciation from it. And in the next class, I'll give you lots of example sentences of na-keiyoushi and na-keiyoushi, so that you will know how to use it. Okay.
All right. Thank you. Arigato.
So
Tomo arigato.
we'll stop our video now.